Hi friends, I am Mayur Kundaram from IIT Madras. I am the founder and CEO of My Ambition Box. My Ambition Box's vision is to build a simplistic and engaging platform for representing, comparing and building your careers. We all use a lot of social networks, and we did a small survey of LinkedIn at exactly why do people use LinkedIn, and we found out that people told us that most of the people use LinkedIn to admire someone else's profile, to read a profile and to understand what exactly they do. So we have 3 products that we plan to launch in our beta phase. One is digitize your resume. So the other one is how exactly we are going to search for jobs, and the third is the employer branding tool, that is the company page. So in your digitize your resume, we want to change the traditional paper CV format, which is just a one-page Word document or a PDF file, which has a lot of limitations. First of all, it is constrained. Second, it is very hard for a recruiter to sort through things. If a recruiter wants to see only your experience, it is very hard for a recruiter to see that. So what we are doing is we are building your career timeline, and in that we are representing all your milestones, which you typically represent on a resume, pivoted to age, and all the milestones that you typically see in resume. You can see on the left side, and if you click on that, you'll be only able to see on the timeline only those milestones. So that makes it very easy for you to compare. The next is the comparing career timeline feature that we are introducing. Like on LinkedIn, we view a lot of profiles, and when we view that, we understand different career paths which people follow in their careers. So what we want to do is we want to go a step further, and we want to tell people that if today you want to compare your career with someone, say an investment banker, and understand how did he reach there, you compare your career with him simultaneously and gain insights as to what exactly I should be doing in my career to become an investment banker. It could be an entrepreneur, an investment banker, or it could be getting into Stanford for doing an MS. Similarly, you can compare your skill sets. The next product is the employer branding tool that we are building, in which today it is very hard to read about companies, and Wikipedia is very constrained. It has paragraphs and paragraphs of information which does not give me an overview of what exactly a company does. So we are building a company story feature in which each company will be able to tell within 15 seconds what exactly that company does, and plus you can engage, you can admire that company's milestone, and you have other features like a complete employer branding tool in which a company could showcase its work culture, it could showcase what all other things it can do. And the third product that we are building is the job responsibilities, and we found out what is the typical problem today that job descriptions have, and it is first problem is it is very textual. Second is it has a lot of redundancies. And then, so what we found out that the commonalities are, companies use a lot of action verbs in job descriptions. So what we are doing is we are converting those action verbs into big icons, which makes it very enticing for a user to apply for a particular job. So that is how we are disrupting in the job description. And plus today, when you are applying for a particular job, you can compare your skill sets, whether you are exactly fit for that job. So all of this is possible only if you fetch information properly. And that is where we are differentiating from LinkedIn and other job portals today, which are focusing only on quantity and not quality of information. So that is it from ISEC. I am basically from IIT Madras. Rucha is doing her MBA from KJ Somaiya, and we have a designer Pooja with us. We are looking for developers to join us. Thank you. Good.